Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change Snapchat name, and here's how it's done. Open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in into your account. Tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner to go to your profile. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. From the settings menu, select username. You will see your current Snapchat username. Tap change username. A quick note will appear explaining that you can only change your username once per year. Tap Continue to proceed. Delete your current username and enter your new desired username. Once you find an available username, tap Next. Enter your Snapchat password to confirm the change. Finally, tap Confirm. And that is everything you need to know about how to change Snapchat name. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.